Hi, folks. Welcome back to Tech Tips. In this tech tip, I'm going to show you the answer to a question that I get a lot, and that is my printer just won't print. Now, there could be several different reasons for that, but I found that oftentimes it is because a print job is stuck in the print queue. Now, what is a print job? A print job is any document or anything that you have sent to the printer on any program on your computer. Now, the print queue is what keeps track of each print job. So, in order to see if anything is stuck in the print queue, therefore preventing us from printing, we need to be able to view what's actually inside the print queue. If there's any active jobs that are currently being printed, or if there's things waiting to be printed, is something stuck in there, etc. So, how do we view the print queue? Well, the easiest way to do that is through the control panel. So, in order to access the control panel, the easiest way is just to click down here via your search. Mine's already shown because I've been there several times. If yours is not, just start typing control panel. Once you get into the control panel, you're going to want to click on hardware and sound in the green. From there, click on devices and printers. From there, this screen will open. This shows you every external piece of hardware that you currently have physically connected to your computer or on your network. Okay? So in this case, it's showing my actual physical PC, my speakers, my monitor, my external hard drive, my mouse, my other external hard drive, and down here at the bottom, it's showing printers. Okay? My printer is right here. It's the OfficeJet. You're going to want to find wherever your printer is. Sometimes it will show a picture of it like this. Sometimes it will not. Just depends on the brand and what type of printer it is. You're going to run a right click on the printer, and from this flyout menu, you're going to click here, see what's printing. When you do that, this dialog box will come up. This is the print queue. Anything listed in this very simple looking dialog box, let me drag it over to the center of the screen, is the print queue. This is either what's currently printing or what's coming up from jobs that have been sent to your printer. Sometimes a job will get stuck in here. You can right click, you can delete it, you can push delete on your keyboard, you can do all those things, but the job will still persist. It will not clear. So how do we get rid of that? In order to do that, let's back out. If you're already in control panel, you can just use the back button. We need to go back to this main screen. If not, just repeat this process, what we did at the beginning, and open control panel. From here, you want to click on System and Security in the green. And then you want to click down here, Administrative Tools. Once you click on Administrative Tools, it's going to bring up this window right here with all of what it considers an administrative tools, as it says. You're looking for this one right here, Services. If we double click on that, it's going to bring up a window. This is called the Services Console. Now, the Services Console runs all of the services or keeps track of each service that's running inside Windows. Now, what is a service? A service is a small piece of software, a small program that runs a component on your computer. Mostly, it's different components of Microsoft Windows. It could be other things that are in here. Notice as I scroll through, there are several services in this window. Some of yours are going to be the same as mine. Some of yours will be different. It just depends on what hardware, what software, what configuration you personally are running. So let me back out and show you another way that you can get to this same screen. You can go through Control Panel as we just did. Notice that's multiple steps. Or if you're on your desktop and you know you want to get to that Services Console, you can right-click anywhere on your taskbar down here at the bottom, And you can actually get to the services console through Task Manager. So right click any blank area, click on Task Manager, and then right here is services. This is the same window we were at before. It just represents itself a little different. I'm going to go back to the control panel route just because I can resize that window, make sure to see it a little better, a little bit easier for me. You can do whichever way you would like. So I'm going to go back down here to Administrative Tools in the green once more. Double click on Services. And then from here, in order to reset the print spooler service, the easiest way I found, these go in alphabetical order. You're going to click on any one of them once, so one of them's highlighted. Push P on your keyboards. That'll take you immediately to services that start with the letter P. And from here, you're going to want to carefully go down the list until you find this service right here, Print Spooler. Okay, and if we expand the description, it says, this service spools print jobs and handles interaction with the printer. Okay, so this is a service you want to reset. In order to do that, you want to right click. Okay, you can try refresh if you would like, but the thing that you want to do, you can either stop the service, which is what I found is the best way to do, or you can restart. This will try to automatically stop and then immediately restart the service. But what I found is if you stop the service, and you're going to notice a little blip on your screen, if you stop the service and then right click again, start the service back up, and from there it will be reset. Now if you right click and hit reset or restart, it does the same thing. It stops it and then immediately restarts it. Okay, you've done what you need to do, so you can exit out of control panel, and further exit out of the root control panel right here. And you should now have your print queue completely cleared out. Thanks for watching.